CNC wood router 1325. 1325 CNC wood carving machine, multi-head CNC router, engraver, drilling and milling machine. Brand name Attack. Condition new. Model number AKM 1325 2 CNC router, engraver, drilling and mill. CNC or not CNC. Model AKM 1325 2. Spindle 4.5 kW air cooling spindle motor, double head. Control system Mach 3/Syntec. Motor Taiwan Delta servo motor. Inverter Fulling inverter. Lathe structure heavy duty machine body. X/Y axis transmission gear and rack transmission. Z-axis transmission Taiwan TBI ball screw transmission. Working area 1300 x 2500 250 mm. Voltage 380/220 V3 phase. 1325 CNC wood carving machine, multi-head CNC router, engraver, drilling and milling machine. Parameter CNC router, engraver, drilling and milling machine. Working area 1300 by 2500 by 200 Spindle type Chinese air-cooled spindle, double head. Spindle power 3.5 kW, 4.5 kW. Spindle rotating speed 0 to 18,000 revolutions per minute. Power supply AC 220 V/380 volts ±10, 50 Hz. Work table T-slot or vacuum working table. Locating precision 0.01 mm. Minute shaping character 2 by 2 letter 1 by 1 Operating temperature 5 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. Working humidity 30% to 75% without condensed water. Working precision ±0.03 mm. System resolution ±0.001 mm. Control configuration rich auto DSP, Mach 3 control system with USB. Data transfer interface PCI/PC. System environment Windows XP/Windows 7. Spindle cooling way water cooling, air cooling. Graphic format supported G-code, UOO, G, PLT, NC. Compatible software ARPCOM, UCANCOM, Type 3 and other CAD or CAM softwares. Cutting thickness 0 to 40 mm also depends on different material. Z-tool sensor yes. Full machine dimension 3170 by 2070 by 1800 Net weight 880 kg. Gross weight 1000 kg. Packing customized plywood case, veneer wood case for export. Optional parts 1. Dust collector. 2. Servo motors, China brand or Japan brand. 3. Auto tool change system. This system need other systems accordingly, like LNC control system, servo motors etc. 4. Fourth rotary device for cylinder materials. Application, CNC router, engraver, drilling and milling machine. Wood processing of various furniture such as door, window, cabinet, craft, wood door, wood screen and so on. Advertisement, engraving and cutting MDF, acrylic, PVC, various labels and nameplate. Art craft, engraving characters of any languages and graphics on gifts and souvenirs. Wood, aluminium board, plastic, density board, wave board, PVC, acrylic, crystal, light marble, stainless steel, aluminum, coupe.